If you're an interior designer, an architect, or just somebody who's trying to furnish his own place, there is a moment that eventually you're gonna face the furniture phase. You've picked a color palette, a vibe, even the mood board is done, and then it's time to actually choose furniture. That's exactly when things start getting overwhelming. Hi everyone, I'm Lauro and I'm an interior designer from Italy. Like many of you, I struggled with this problem, but today I'll show you how to fix it. Every single time we are looking for new furniture, most people start the same way. Pinterest. Endless inspiration and stunning interiors. You fall in love with a chair or a dining table, but you try clicking for details and what do you get? No product link, no brand name, but above all, no idea if it costs $100 or $10,000. It's basically a mood board graveyard. So the only option you find is to switch to retail websites. Now you are on Cave Home, West Wing, Sklom, IKEA, and so on. Here at least you have prices and you know what you're buying, but the selection is limited, predictable, and repetitive. Basically everyone ends up with the same coffee table, and as a professional this is a problem, a serious problem. Think about it, after hours of researching you are burnt out. You've saved hundreds of references, you opened 20 tabs in your browser and made no decision. Eventually we give up and settle. This is not what we wanted. It's just what we could find. That is something I cannot accept anymore. Not for my clients and not for myself. As interior designer, I always want to deliver something better than what the client imagined. So I started gathering information from my past projects, bookmarks, screenshots, and years of research. And I built what I was always looking for, but never found. A brand furniture database. Useful, simple, and filterable. Now, I know that every country has its own iconic furniture brands. In US, we have Herman Miller and Knoll. In Scandinavia, we have Muto and Carl Hansen. In Denmark, Fritz Hansen and Gubi. In Japan, Karimoku and Nitori. But in the most projects I've worked on, especially with international clients, the one thing they keep asking for is Italian design and furniture. That's why I focus this product on Italian design furniture. For the first-time Notion user, to start using the database is super easy. Go to notion.com and click Sign Up. You can use your email or log in with Google. After your purchase, click on the link provided in this file. It will open the database in your browser. Click Duplicate in the top right corner. This will add a copy of the template to your own Notion workspace. You can now open it in your browser or download the Notion app on your phone, tablet, or computer to edit and use the template anytime. Let's focus on the database now. Here is what you see. A clean and well-organized list of over 100 Italian brands. Each one is categorized by product type, price range, and style. Let's make a real-life example. We are looking for a new sofa. First thing first, filter by category, sofa. Budget, I'd say mid-range, so we select the $3. And design style, let's go with contemporary. Done. In 3 clicks, you have a curated list of sofas brand that actually match your project. The second column is for their official English website. So click on a name and you are exploring real collections. Like this one, for example, of B&B Italia, which looks stunning. No more just collecting pretty pictures. These are real brands, real collections, real world. Once you found what you love, there's no reason to get crazy in how to get in touch with the supplier. Every single brand has a direct link to their official contact page or email address, so you can request information about their showrooms, resellers, or whatever else you have in mind in a matter of seconds. Now, besides using it to source actual pieces for your client, if you are a professional, you can use this tool in so many ways, like to create more accurate mood boards with real products and references, but above all to replace the old school bookmarks on your browser with messy furniture links. If you're a student, even better. You will learn real-world brands' name, design languages, and product categories. No more wasting time to find references for your portfolio or assignments, and above all, more professional projects with real pieces of furniture. Back then, when I was studying design, I remember I was always chasing for something like that. Now I'm actually an interior designer, and I thought it would be nice to make the kind of resource the younger version of myself would have loved. If you are curious to try it out, you can find the link in the description. And to celebrate the official launch, the first 100 people to use the code INTERIOR50 will get a 50% off. I made this for you, younger Lauro.